It's a weekly YouTuber coming at you again, like usual. So today, okay, we're gonna do a video which I've never done on my entire channel, okay? So today, okay, I'm gonna let my own videos as out of Foster Chug, okay? I know you guys like this camera angle which I'm using. I don't know if this is actually a good camera angle. I mean, tell me if you guys like this one or this one more. So you guys can say which one you like more. So yeah, boys. Today, okay, we're gonna be chugging this bottle, okay, which is 750 ml. It's very hard to see, but it is that. I'm gonna chug this here bottle because I'm an alcoholic as usual. Bottle, which is 340 ml. This is 10 milliliters, less than a liter. Okay, so we must first decide what row of video must I choose. Okay, number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's generate which video we're gonna actually, which video. Now I'm gonna see which video length we must do. Number 6. So this is the Coke versus Pepsi blindfold. So I'm gonna chug this in 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Okay, boys. 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Oh shit, dude, I choked. Okay, down. Okay. Okay, here we go. Next one. 750 ml. Ooh, damn. I'm not good. Basically, it's just halfway. Yeah, we can say it's halfway. I don't know. We've got like 1/3 left, I think. Yeah. Deep within sandstone rock, high in the Picketberg Mountains, comes a pure mineral water of remarkable quality and, like, dude, it's just water. Like, what is the difference between mineral water and normal water? Like, what is there, like diamonds in the water, dude? Like, I mean, I like diamond water, by the way, guys. By the way, I'm very rich, so I drink diamond water like basically every day, to be honest. I don't know, that was under 3 minutes and 21 seconds. I think it probably was, to be honest. I don't know. Here's the time. If you guys want me to do this again, get this video to like 24 views. I'm kidding. Don't know. 89 views. And I'll do another one. And yeah, peace out, big boys.